The Rivestito Refrigerator brings seamless style and high-performance cooling to your kitchen. Its 36-inch counter-depth design fits flush with cabinetry without compromising storage capacity. With a total storage of 15.5 cubic feet, gives you ample space for fresh and frozen items. Customize your layout for flexible storage and easy access. Humidity-controlled deli drawer keeps your fruits, vegetables, and deli items fresh longer. Equipped with 6 door bins. Fast cool and fast freeze functions. Quickly lower temperatures to preserve food quality. Automatic ice maker with filtered crescent ice produces 2.4 pounds of ice daily with precise control. Pull-out freezer drawer with 3 layers. Organized freezer storage for easy access to frozen items. No frost cooling maintains consistent temperatures and reduces ice buildup for low maintenance. We stand behind each appliance we design and manufacture with an industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty. Forno, lowering the cost of living.